Hey guys, thought I'd make a little video showing the differences between these 3D printed snowmobile hood vents. So this one we got the FDM PLA, so that's your standard plastic on your hobbyist 3D printer, and you can kind of see the print lines in there if I hold it upright. But this one was printed on a glass bed, so this outside surface ends up being pretty smooth and pretty nice. These are made from the same STL model, and this is the SLA nylon, the sintered nylon. This was printed from shapeways.com, and it ends up with a kind of a rougher finish, but it's pretty nice, pretty uniform, pretty clean. I think it would take paint well, but I'm not really sure about that. Plastic paint, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna put these out in the cold, and we'll see how they hold up compared to one another. Okay, we're outside. I got this sitting on my driveway. It's about minus 26 degrees Celsius out, and these are measuring about minus 36, so plenty cold enough. I'm gonna test the strength of these by dropping this socket on them. They're both supported by these wood blocks at the edges, so kind of simulate how they are in the hood, and we'll see what this does. So I'm not gonna be too exact with my measurement, but from about the top of my boot, see what this does. Oh, that wasn't a square hit. Let's try that again. Yeah, it definitely broke. It's not surprising. Kind of brittle material. Let's see if this nylon does any better. About the same height. Get in the middle. Wing. Make sure that's not a fluke. Try it again. Okay, let's try this from higher. Let's try it from about the height of my knee. Okay. Try it a little higher yet. Height of my hip. Oh, I got a break that time. Yeah, right there. Let's try and hit it a little more square in the middle. Again, from the height of the waist. Straight down. Still hit it on the side. That's hard to gauge. Try that one more time. Slippery. Woohoo! That broke it. That's interesting. Almost looks like the plastic on the inside is white, and then they just coat it with a black. That doesn't sound right. Huh. Weird. Yeah, that sure looks like what's going on there. Huh. Cost saving measure or something. Okay, let's try this guy from that height. Let's see if it absolutely destroys it or what happens. Waist high. Yeah, doesn't like that at all. So, just give you an idea of the differences. I think the nylon's a little stronger, but maybe not by much. But yeah, that's it. I figured I'd try one more test here with the pieces that were still good. So cut these off so that they're the same size, no broken pieces on these ones. I'm just gonna put them in the vise and try and flex them, bend them, and see what they do. So I'll take you inside here. So this piece is still cold from outside. This is the PLA. I'm just gonna bend it and see what happens. And now the nylon. Yeah, same thing. Maybe a little more flex, but not much. Okay, one thing I did notice was when I was trimming those pieces was how much easier it was to snip the PLA than the FDM. So this is the PLA. Sorry, that was the nylon. This is the PLA. You can kind of hear the difference. Like it just sounds and feels a lot more brittle. Whereas this Doesn't crunch as much. Anyways, thought that was interesting. Now that these parts have had a chance to warm up, the flex is night and day between the two. So this is the nylon. I can't even break the stuff. Oh, there it goes. And then this is the PLA. Oh. Just, yeah, snaps off. So there you go.